Hello everyone, this is Shan Heather, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install offline maps on your Huawei Watch GT6, GT6 Pro or any of the Huawei smartwatches. So here we go. So first of all, make sure that your Huawei Watch GT6 or GT6 Pro is connected to your smartphone with the help of Huawei Health application. After that, launch the Huawei Health app, then go to the devices, then go to your smartwatch. Scroll down and here you will find an option called offline maps. Just tap on this and here you can see that it is detecting my region and giving me the option to download the map here. You can just tap on download and download this particular map. If you want to go to the different region, then you can just tap on regions tab and here you will get the list of all of the regions available for your Huawei Watch GT6 offline maps section. So you can download the offline map for the whole country or you can download for a particular region. For example, for Saudi Arabia, it is recommended to download the Riyadh map for me because I'm in Riyadh right now. But if you want, you can download for rest of the regions as well. It's totally up to you. And as you can see, huge list of all of these countries we got here. You can download the offline maps for any of them. So I'm going to go to the manage download section and then I'm going to download and install the map for my city. Just tap on download and then it will show you this pop-up message that auto update will be turned on if you tap on enable. If you do not want to auto update, then you can just tap on cancel and it will start downloading the map as you can see here. So the map is downloaded and being transferred to my Huawei Watch GT6 here. So the downloading of the offline map on my Huawei Watch GT6 is completed. If I tap on this drop down, you can see it is showing me the map is downloaded and installed. If I want to delete this, let's say I'm moving to another city, or if you do not want to use the offline map, you can just tap on this manage button and then you can just delete all of them right from your Huawei Health application. So this is how you can download and install offline maps on your Huawei Watch GT6. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.